Hi. Hello. I'm okay. Tara. Pat. The rain is done. First time I see one kabayan live in YouTube. Huh? Okay, can you subscribe? Hello fireworks! Thank you for remembering.
Saitan, only one. Saitan. Tingin mo?
Kabayan, hello, shout out.
Zombie ng Saitan?
You are a Filipino sir. Why your name so familiar like a firework is from Mindanao. Ako taga Dapitan. Near Dipolog. Dapitan City, province of Zamboanga del Norte. Hi, Amado Fadega. You're late. Thank you for remembering fireworks. Very poor net. My net is not good. Ay, from India. Ah, so you're Filipino too. Why is your name? Sanjay. I haven't go to other country. Always in Philippines. Because I'm afraid of going other countries, guys. You know why? I feel homesick. I feel homesick. I feel hungry now. I feel so much hungry.
Marami klase wala. Wala ba?
Tugma.
Marami klase wala.
Atong awan lagi sa ayo. Wala. Ako luma na ah.
Ay, wala pa ni klase.
Kasi di mamilo. Ikaw, di mamilo na. Phone ka. Hindi ka kay work mama. Want to join my member account, but I am half kabayan because I have before one half Evergreen, yeah, Evergreen. I will show you outside Evergreen, oh, not outside. You see, yeah. ugly book.